All right, so one last look before we change out the hood. I mean, this huge hump is why I bought it. And it gives a lot of extra clearance underneath the hood. But today we're gonna be upgrading, or I wouldn't even say upgrading. I would say just changing the look a little bit. I know this is a fan favorite, but I've had it for 3 years now, and you know, it's just time for change. So yeah, let's get it going.
Human beings in a mob. What's a mob to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer who don't believe in anything? Make it out alive. Alright, alright.
All right, guys. So we're all finished up with Godspeed over here. Thank you for helping out.
Absolutely.
Guys, if you haven't checked out his Instagram, definitely go ahead and do it. We kept this vent a little bit loose because the hood is going to get wrapped. Boom. And there it is. It's a little bit cleaner looking, not as exaggerated. So I'm probably going to end up doing gloss black here, rewrapping the roof, and it'll you know, kind of have a little bit more of a stock look. So we're going to be re-riveting this spoiler. The first time we hung out, we had an adventure, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
We were getting together to install this. The Charger had a little bit of a problem. We got stuck on the side of the road. Ended up being something minor with the fuel pumps, but the car wasn't getting gas to the engine, and we were kind of just stuck. But either way, it looks dynamite. I think the fitment looks pretty damn good. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks good. It looks really good.
I mean, the gaps aren't really terrible here. Yeah, I like it. You know, ever since I saw the new Chargers with the double vented,
Oh yeah.
you know, and then the middle scoop, I was like, I really like that, man.
Yeah, I wish mine had that.
Yeah. So, you know, a little bit of a different, you know, a little change here, but I like it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, this is a Vicrest hood. Finally installed it, got the Charger back, and I just need to get it wrapped now. So, all right, guys, if you haven't already, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a little bit more Charger content. I need to get this thing buttoned up, looking good, and then we'll go out, we'll have a little bit of fun. We'll meet up with this guy, we'll go to meets and stuff, yeah, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we're also waiting on another guy that's going to get his Daytona back, my buddy Dan. So before I wrap the video up, I kind of want to show you guys the vents, how they kind of clip in. Same thing with the scoop here. What the actual hood scoop looks like from the inside. Certainly less noticeable than the Killer Bee hood, but you can see it. Okay, let me pop the hood. I'll show you guys how easy it is to get these vents clipped in, and I like how secure they are because you do screw them in so that they don't fly off when you're on the highway. So this scoop basically clicks in to there so that it's secured. And I like that this comes black already. So one thing that I did not like about the Killer Bee hood is when you pop the hood, it was all white. And you know, that's just not really that good looking. So you kind of screw it in, boom, nice and easy. Both sides. And so it's securely locked in there. So I just need to get it wrapped. It's basically the same weight as the Killer Bee hood. You know, I'm not saving anything on, you know, weight savings or anything along those lines, but it is a little bit lighter. I love the design of it. You could see that the hood scoop is a little wider, a little bulkier width-wise than the Killer Bee, but the actual hump there is, I don't know, it's nicer. Another thing that was killing me with the Killer Bee is those vents were just wide open. And in the Northeast, what happens is when it would rain, all the rain would get stuck in the front of the hood. And during the winter months, it would freeze up. And when I drove, you would feel the hood kind of vibrating. That's not really an issue, obviously, where I moved here. But that was something that kind of annoyed me a little bit. So there it is. You know, I think it looks very clean looking, very stock-ish, you know. And yeah, definitely can't complain. Good job, Vicress. Anything going with you?
Nah, not as yet. I'm just working a lot. Getting ready to throw the cam in.
Okay.
Hopefully soon.
You went with Texas Speed, right?
Yep.
Yep. So he's going to be a cammed Hellcat on E. Yep. That's going to be making some nice power. Yeah. So, you know what? When he is done, I'll get a review video out of that. So, some of you guys may have seen the first video. Bro, that looks sick. How you doing, man? Yo, that looks good. Oh, really? You want to pull over? Since then, he upgraded the hood. He's going to get that wrapped. And cam and all that kind of good stuff. We're going to be making some crazy power. So, all right, guys. I'll check you on the next upload.